Hey, it's Jack. Thursday. Now, I got a good trading tip for you today, and that is with regard to stocks right now, you want to try to avoid temptation. There's a lot going on. Everything looks hot in the news. The latest AI stock, the latest quantum computing stock, some major breakthrough, whatever. There's a lot of distractions. Now, I got to tell you also, strategy selection is more important than stock selection. Okay, and when you do strategy selection, you got to be willing to stick with a system, especially if you have a system that works great or works at all, that has just a win rate that you like, that's high, that has a good profit factor, and something that is a strategy that's something you can do. Like if you got a full-time job, that you can't day trade, right? So it has to be a strategy that you can execute, something you might be familiar with or open to learning more. But what you don't want to do, just like you want to avoid temptation and you don't want to jump around from stock to stock and just eat up your account, you also don't want to jump around from strategy to strategy, right? That's just as bad. Got an email from a guy. The very first trade he took was a loser, and he quit, right? Wants another strategy. What else? Just jumping around from strategy to strategy. You're never going to get ahead like that, okay? Strategies work for the people that stick to the system, especially if you have a strategy that has a statistical advantage, right? That's what you want. Find a system that works and work the system.